I found these really cool headphones on Amazon, and I tried to submit my review and they wouldn't let it go through for some odd reason. So I figured I'd make a review video and see if y'all like it. And if you do, like it. If you don't like it, dislike it. And if you want, you can subscribe. I need all the subscribers I can get, right? Anyway, so the Bluedio F2 noise canceling Bluetooth headphones. These things are not that bad, but there is some downs and there is some ups, and we'll discuss them throughout this video. But the unboxing, I'm not going to show that because honestly, really don't need it. But in the box, you get a case, and that holds your headphones, of course. Anyway, and you get another little pouch that holds your Type-C to USB charging cable and your Type-C to 3.5mm headphone adapter. That's cool that these things can be wired as well, but if you lose that Type-C to 3.5mm cable, then you can't hook them up, and that kind of sucks. But if these things are fully dead, I did try them when they had no power whatsoever, and they did work with that cable. So that is good. They can be used wired. Anyway, perks to these headphones, and I will definitely say it is a perk that they are made out of an all-metal design. Leastwise, these all the way is metal except for the cups themselves, and the headband is metal except for this like plushy stuff that's inside of there, but underneath that plushy stuff is actual like metal, so that is good. And they definitely do not feel cheap. They feel like $100 headphones, except for they only cost about $68 on Amazon, which is cool because you definitely get your money's worth. But there's just one thing you don't get your money's worth on, and that is the sound quality. I've heard so many YouTube videos about saying, oh, these have really good sound and so on and so forth. That is a lie. Like, at first, when you listen to them wired, they have really good sound, but considering these are standard, and normally people are going to be using these for the perks of being Bluetooth, they don't have good sound. The Bluetooth will kick out every once in a while, very, very seldomly, but it still happens, and that is definitely a no. And they are very comfortable, but still, headphones are designed for the sole purpose of having good audio quality. And these feel like the drivers themselves are shaking around when you listen to anything like rock or hip-hop. Hip-hop definitely sounds better than rock, but still not a good sounding pair of headphones. So, are they worth the money? I would have to say no, but you do get a good build design. But if you're buying headphones at this price point, which I normally do, then you're definitely buying them for the sole purpose of audio. And that's what I thought these were going to have, good audio quality. Now, some things that I've heard in other YouTube videos that needs to be clarified. These have video latency, which means when you're watching a video, the sound comes after their mouths move. And that is a big problem as well, because that can be extremely annoying unless you're like on YouTube and you're just listening to it. I normally just sit there and I watch the video. I don't know about you. But that's kind of the sole purpose of YouTube, is to watch the videos. But if you're just like people that just drive down the road and they put their YouTube on and just listen to it, I don't think that you should wear these while driving. Please don't wear these while driving, people. They block out a lot of the noise, and I'm pretty sure that has to be illegal, right? Anyway, so the headphones are good build, and Bluedio definitely knows what they're doing when it comes to making headphones, except for the audio quality. So maybe they don't. Leave down in the comments below whether you like Bluedio or not, or whether you've ever heard of them or not. But if you like this video, like I said, like. If you don't like it, dislike it. And if you want, just subscribe. So I hope this was useful in some way. My personal opinion, these headphones are not worth the money. So thanks for watching.